In this video, I'm going to show you how to create and use a simple template in Logseq. Now, the first thing you have to do here, you want to, of course, create a new page. I'm going to click Create down here and then New Page, and I'm going to just name it Template YouTube, okay? Template YouTube. Okay, so just for this tutorial, I'm gonna click on Create Page. Okay, and then in here, of course, this could be named whatever you want. You can then create your template. So I'm just gonna do it in bullet points. So I'm just going to create a completely random no sense template. I'm gonna do name, and then I'm gonna do like this. There we go. And then I'm gonna do age, like this, okay? And then I'm gonna also do date, and then that's pretty much it. That's all I want. Now, down here, what you then want to do is just below this, you want to type in template. There we go. And then you want to do with a double colon like this, okay? And then you want to just give it a name. So I'm going to give it a name, which is going to be YouTube for this tutorial, okay? Whenever you do this, and of course, when you click out of here, you'll be able to see, there we go. This has now been templated. Now, it may look a bit weird, but don't worry. You can just go to whatever you want. And then if you are on a separate page here, you could just right click, type in template. There we go. You can click on the template and then click on the one that was just created. As you can see, it's now on the list, and whenever you click on it, it's going to pop in right here inside your page. So that's how easy it is. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.